So it is a crying shame the sun ain't out. Holy cow. But it is what it is. Old Glory's flying. Cloudy. Whoop, there it is right there. We're supposed to be cloudy, overcast all week. Nasty. Actually, my ryegrass is starting to get some disease in it. I need to get out here and get that sprayed. Some of the little spots right there. Let's look at that close. You can see the Bermuda is really waking up out here. You know, I'm going to be leaving this rye as long as I can to see how long we can keep it growing. But look at there. The Bermuda's waking up, and the Bermuda's actually starting to take over, believe it or not. That's rye right there. It's getting that little disease. It ain't touching the Bermuda. Man, that looks so good. It's a daggone shame the sun ain't out. Holy cow. Look at that. I need to get that sprayed. Got several little spots like that. If you're new, subscribe to the channel, because next time we come out here, I'm going to show you how to take your previous stripes, which this would be my previous stripes, which you're looking at, and then play off of those stripes to create a new pattern. The next pattern, we're going to kind of S it through here and make some wavy S lines. And of course, I'll show you how to do that and use my existing stripes to do it. Don't forget about my striping contest I got going on. Went up to $1,000 gift card on the Academy website. I'll link those videos up in the description below, and somewhere on the top of the screen of this video at the end, you'll see them, and you can click on those so you can join in on that striping contest and maybe win you some free stuff. Boy, she's tight though. Look at there. Woohoo! All right, I got to roll. I got ball fields to spray. Check you later.